Have you ever wondered what happens when you work out every day? Welcome to a journey of discovery as we unravel the mysteries of a daily workout routine. Our bodies and minds are intricate systems, and exercise can have profound effects on both. This video is your guide to understanding how those daily sweat sessions can transform you inside and out. So, gear up to explore the captivating science and enchanting magic of daily workouts. Find out as we delve into the science and magic of daily workouts. Imagine this. Every time you work out, your body is actually transforming. Intriguing, isn't it? But how does this transformation occur? Let's delve into the magic of the science behind the sweat. The moment you start moving, your body kicks into high gear. Your heart rate increases, pumping more blood and oxygen to your muscles, fueling them for the task at hand. This is the start of cardiovascular improvement, one of the many benefits of regular exercise. Now, let's talk about the process of muscle building. When you lift weights or do resistance training, you're actually creating small tears in your muscle fibers. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. These tears are essential because when they heal, they rebuild stronger and larger, leading to muscle growth. This process, known as hypertrophy, makes you stronger and helps boost your metabolism. But wait, there's more. Working out doesn't just build muscle, it also burns fat. When you exercise, your body taps into stored fat for energy. As you shed fat and build muscle, you'll notice your body becoming leaner and more toned. That's the beauty of the science behind the sweat. And let's not forget about the benefits to your cardiovascular health. Regular exercise helps lower your blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and increase good cholesterol. All these changes contribute to a healthier heart and lower risk of heart disease. The science is clear. Each drop of sweat trickling down your face during a workout is a testament to the amazing changes happening inside your body. Your muscles are growing, fat is burning, and your heart is becoming stronger. And all these transformations are backed by solid scientific facts. In summary, the physical changes that occur when you work out every day are profound. The benefits, from muscle building to fat burning and improved cardiovascular health, are substantial. So, sweat it out and embrace the transformation. So daily workouts are indeed a game changer for your physical health. But the wonders of workout don't stop at physical transformation. You see, delving deeper into the benefits of daily exercise, we find that it extends beyond mere muscle toning and weight loss. It's a game changer for our mental and emotional health too. Take mood enhancement, for instance. Ever heard of the term runner's high? It's that feel-good sensation you get after a good workout. This isn't just a myth. Scientific studies have shown that physical activity stimulates the release of endorphins, our body's natural feel-good chemicals. These act as a kind of natural antidepressant, helping to lift our mood and even combat depression and anxiety. Exercise also plays a significant role in stress reduction. When we engage in physical activity, our body's stress hormones like cortisol are reduced. Simultaneously, our brain's production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine are ramped up. These help us manage stress more effectively and maintain a more positive outlook. Now let's talk about cognitive function. Regular exercise has been found to boost our brain's capacity for memory and learning. It promotes better sleep, which in turn aids in the consolidation of new information. Moreover, it improves concentration, attention, and even creativity. The evidence is compelling. Studies from prestigious institutions like the Harvard Medical School and the Mayo Clinic back these claims. So it becomes clear that a daily workout routine is not just about sculpting a great physique, it's about cultivating a healthier, more vibrant mind. So workout is not just a physical activity, it's a mental booster too. Now that we know the benefits, the question is, how do we make it a habit? Well, it all starts with discipline. Set achievable goals for yourself and gradually raise the bar. The trick here is not to overwhelm yourself. Next, find a workout routine that you genuinely enjoy. This not only makes the process fun, but also makes it easier to stick to. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of daily workouts lies in consistency. So, are you ready to embrace the wonders of daily workouts? We've journeyed through the physical and mental benefits, the strength, endurance, mood uplifts, and stress relief. We've seen how science backs up the sweat and how daily workouts can become a habit, a part of your life. We've shared tips to keep you motivated and on track. Remember, consistency is key. Your journey to a healthier and happier life is just a workout away. Start today.